back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to sit down and share a haul with you. I have recently gone out and picked up quite a bit of Christmas decor from different stores. This will be the first year that I'm doing a traditional Christmas. I've done the pink and blue shabby chic thing for the last few years. So this year I decided to change it up. I think I'm going for a sort of like red and white ticking stripe themed, as well as a gingerbread baking theme in the kitchen and like dining room area. Most of this stuff is from stores like Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and Dollar General and stuff like that. But there are a few pieces that I will link down below that I got offline. Ignore my little makeshift Christmas background. So I think I'm going to start with the things that I have found at Walmart. This was actually not in the Christmas section, it was just in their kitchen area, but I thought these were cute with the whole red and white theme, like I said, to drape over the oven. I want to say they were maybe like $5 to $6. Then I did head back to the Christmas section and I found a package of these bottle brush trees, which I really like a lot. I wanted to have some of these to scatter around. It was $7.98 for this set, and it comes with, what? It says 16. I don't see 16, but there's also like this little layer of faux snow, so I'm not going to open it because I am saving the receipts for everything. That way, when I'm completely done shopping, I'm going to look at everything and see if there's anything I want to take back. And I like that these are more of a darker green. A lot of bottle brush trees have that kind of like tealish, bright blue color, and I don't like that, so. And then these are flocked, which I love as well. And they did have a few of these in different sizes. This one was $2. And I just really liked the little red berries on it. I'm doing a lot of holly berry in my Christmas decor as well, so I thought this would fit that little theme. This color is a lot different than these bottle brush trees, but I don't know if you can even tell. But yeah, I thought $2 was a good price for a tree of this size. I did pick up a few ornaments. This one I'm probably just going to use as shelf decor in a vignette. It was $1.98, but it's this adorable little red house with snow all over the roof. It does have some glitter on it. I'm not necessarily a fan of the glitter or like super glittery decor, but this is really pretty, and then I like the little trees on the side. This one was also $1.98, and I loved the red berries stuck in the shoe, and I love using ice skates in Christmas and winter decor, so that is really why I got this. I may or may not use this one on the tree, or just like with that one, it might just be shelf decor. And then I grabbed this one. I'm assuming all of their ornaments are $1.98. But I got this one for possibly a tiered tray. Like I said, I'm doing a baking and gingerbread theme in the kitchen and dining room area, so I thought this would look cool on my tiered tray. And then Walmart has really nice like Greenery Picks. So I got two of these. These were $3.98, which is a little high, but they're really pretty. I love the kind of frosted greenery, and once again the berries, and these have some pine cones. And I just think they look much nicer than if you were to find them at Dollar Tree. I grabbed two of these smaller ones. These were 98 cents, which that's a really good deal. And I think they're so cute. I think these, I probably should have gotten more. These would look good kind of tucked into decor on the shelf rather than having a garland spread about. And then these are meant to go on the tree, which I'll probably put them on the tree. They were $1.48, and they have these little clips right here to hook onto like the branches. And I love this rusty bell. If you saw my previous Dollar Tree DIY, I did like a DIY version of their silver bells to get them rusty. So I'm going to try to maybe like double the recipe and make them really rusty and old looking like this. For 98 cents, that's a really good deal for it to have this bell on there as well. And then the last piece from Walmart is probably my favorite, one of my favorite Christmas pieces I've found so far. It is this gorgeous wreath. This like flocked wreath with all these berries, and then I told you I'm doing the red and white kind of ticking stripe theme, so I died when I saw this bow, and it was only $17.47. I feel like a wreath like this, I went by the at-home store and even Hobby Lobby, their wreaths are up to like $65, and that's insane to me. I got really excited when I saw this one at Walmart. So I only grabbed one thing from this specific store. I got this at the Tractor Supply. It was only $14, $14.99, and I felt like that was the best deal I was going to find on something like this, because the ones at Hobby Lobby and even the at-home store were $25. Granted, this one is a little smaller than the ones they have there, but I love this like deeper red color and I just thought it was really nice for $14.99. It does open, and I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do with this. I do still plan to do a Decorate With Me for Christmas series in November, so if that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe. So I'll show a few pieces now that I got online. I did purchase these off Etsy, eBay. They are not vintage, but they're these like white and black enamelware pieces, and they're made to look old and vintage. But I thought these would look really cute in the kitchen. I have a couple of enamelware pieces that are in this color, so I grabbed those to kind of match with that. And I love how little they are. I think they'll look cute with some bottle brush trees in them or something like that. I will link them down below because they did sell multiples of these. And I think I paid $12 for the pair. And then this is something that I've been really excited about. I searched high and low for these because I saw Amy Fritz. I was watching a bunch of Christmas Decorate With Me to really get me in like the spirit for shopping and stuff. And I saw Amy Fritz doing her dining room table, and she used these like galvanized fluted, they look like pie tins, like vintage pie tins, as plate chargers, and I fell in love with those. However, when I looked them up, they were no longer, they were like discontinued at the store that they were sold at. So I kept searching and I found these. I think these are 13 inches. And these are a 13-inch charger, and they're that like dark galvanized material. They are metal, but if you can see here, it's got that like fluted pie tin or tart tin thing, and then these are going to look so cute with plates layered on them. I did pay quite a bit for these because the shipping was really high, because it's like a decor store that's in another state. So I'll link them down below, but like I said, I really fell in love with these, and I can use them for other seasons as well. I picked up some pillow covers on Amazon. I liked these because they have the red and white stripes, and they're also like not a super bright, vibrant red. It came with a set of 2, and I believe these were also around $12. And I thought that would add a nice Christmas touch to my couch without going overboard. I don't like a lot of like words and gimmicky looking Christmas decor, if that makes sense. I personally just don't prefer that. But I'll have these linked down below in my Amazon favorites. So I'm not sure if they have an at-home store everywhere, but that's a huge decor store that we have here in Texas. And I did stop by, and they have beautiful Christmas decor. However, I felt like Hobby Lobby, the prices were just a little better. But I did get one thing because I have a very specific idea for these. So hopefully that will be brought to life in my decorating videos. But they are these little ice skates. And they have this like fuzzy kind of Sherpa material. They have little holly berries right here, and then the white Sherpa. And I just thought they were super cute. I did pay $14.99, which I feel like is a little high because they don't do discounts or 40% off the way Hobby Lobby does. But like I said, I really want to bring my idea to life with these, and I couldn't leave without them, so I decided to just get them anyways. They did have a few other colors as well. The next place I stopped by was Big Lots. I only grabbed a few things because I thought Big Lots was a not secondhand, but like a clearance store. Everything's supposed to be on sale or for a on sale price. However, their prices were just as much, if not more, as the at-home store, which I mentioned was pretty pricey. I went there because I saw these online. They're actually placemats. They're just like a red and white striped placemat, and then it says Jingle right here. But I planned to fold them over like this and then use them in my table setting as little napkins because I like the stripes, and I haven't seen them anywhere else. These were 4 a piece, which isn't too bad. I would like them much better if they were 3 or 2 a piece, but I really liked them a lot. And then I saw these candlesticks, and I thought they're beautiful. They have the black and white enamelware look that I've been talking about, and I like that they're different heights. So I really wanted them. This one was $10, and then this one was $12. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like that's really high. So I got the 2 placemats and these 2, and I spent $30-something. I feel like that's ridiculous. Then again, I'm the one who's crazy enough, and I did it. But I just really like these a lot. So I got them anyways. I'm not really a fan of this like black and white ribbon, so I may change that out. At the end of the day, I could even take this stuff off here and just use these as candlesticks throughout the year. So now I'm going to move on to Hobby Lobby, which is where I got the majority of my decor because everything is 40% off. I feel like they just have the best deals. So like I said, I did save my receipts because if I have to take something back, I will. I got this really pretty sign has the Oh Holy Night like song lyrics on here, and I really wanted to incorporate some Christian-based Christmas decor in my home because I believe that's what Christmas is really about. So I thought this was a really good deal. It was originally $19.99, so 40% off of whatever all these items are. I grabbed 2 of these tiny flocked trees with the burlap on the bottom. These were originally $4.99 a piece, and I've seen people have the ones with like the red and white stripes, which I really wanted, and I did see some at Michael's, but they were like $10 for one this size, so I decided to get the ones from Hobby Lobby instead. And I love everything to be flocked, if you haven't noticed. I prefer the flocked look because here in Texas it doesn't snow, it's barely even fall weather at Christmas, so I like to pretend that it snows. And then I grabbed a few of their picks that I plan on either using in some crafts or just to scatter around. These little ones were originally 99 cents, so 40% off is a really good deal. But I think these are really nice. I love the pine cones and the berries, and they have like little details that are just really well done. And then I grabbed some of these bigger ones because I liked the snowy look they had. And these were originally $1.99. I don't think I purchased many ornaments from Hobby Lobby, like tiny ones like this, but I saw these and I thought they were absolutely adorable. They have that like kitschy vintage Christmas look to them that I like a lot. But yeah, there's just this little Santa one with the bottle brush tree sticking out of his head, and then this Mr. Snowman, Frosty the Snowman guy. They were originally $5.99 a piece, which is kind of high. And I love this deer. I love reindeer in general, but especially Christmas reindeer. So this one was $4.99. And I just think he has the cutest face. And I grabbed this piece. It says Joy to the World, and you can kind of fold it. I don't really know the point of folding it because it only folds this way, and that would cover up the words. It was originally $12.99, but I grabbed it because I have really long shelves in the living room, and sometimes it can be really hard to fill them up with decor, so I thought this would take up a decent amount of space. And I like that it said Joy to the World because I love that song. So. And then, like I just mentioned a second ago, I really love that vintage kitschy Christmas look. So I saw these 2. I guess they're supposed to be like knee huggers, but they move around and sit on the shelves or wherever you want them. And I just thought they were too cute. They did have green ones as well, but I decided to stick with the red. They were $4.99 originally a piece, and I just think they're really cute. This one has like checkers on his pants and then stripes, and then this one has a cute striped hat. I just thought they were really cute. Let me show you their faces. I got a bunch of these berry picks that I really like a lot because I had planned to do a DIY garland and then sticking these in there to make them Christmassy. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that anymore because I did find a garland that I like, but I'm going to hold on to them just in case. They were originally $1.99 a pick, and you get a decent size pick, and it has a lot of little berries on there. And I just really love this red color. Very Christmassy. And then I have another pack of ornaments here. However, I think I'm going to use these as shelf decor in different spots of the house, or I might put them on my tree. It really just depends. They were originally $12.99, and they're just like this cute little Santa sack, and it has a little present, some bottle brush trees, and berries. Here's another ornament that I also will probably not use on the tree. My vision for the tree is really just like basic ornaments with a lot of ribbon and bows, so we'll see how that works. But this I will probably put in a vignette somewhere, and I just thought it was really cute. I love this tiny wreath here, and it was originally $3.99. I only grabbed a couple of pieces for the kitchen area with the whole like gingerbread theme, but they had these sort of, what is this called, like yarn material lollipops. They were originally $2.99, and I thought I would stick these somewhere, maybe in a little cup or on the tiered tray. And because of the baking theme, I had to grab this. It was $4.99, so that's a little high, but this is really cute. I thought these were really, really cute. They are candlestick. They go around candles for like decoration, but this might be something I return if I can't find something or a place for them. They were originally $5.99, but they're just little holly berry pieces. And then I grabbed 4 red candles. These were actually just from their candle section where everything was 50% off. The original price was 77 cents. And I do have a spot for these. I'm trying to hold out to thrift some vintage red spiral candles, but I haven't had any luck. So I went ahead and grabbed these just in case. I didn't find any. And I really like this like vibrant red. They had a few of these. They had this one and then a bigger size. This smaller one was $14.99 originally, but I really loved the red and white and then the berries on top. It just completely fits what I want for Christmas this year. So I got this. It's just on this wire too. I feel like you could easily DIY this if you got some fabric like this. And I did not have a tree topper, so I decided to get this one. It was $14.99 originally, which I feel like is a good price for a tree topper. But this is what it looks like up close. I just thought it was really nice, and there was some at the at-home store that I liked, but this one was much more affordable. It has that kind of like rustic farmhouse feel that I like. And then I got this adorable piece. It's this little burlap sack, and I have very specific ideas already because I've been planning in my head for so long. So I have an idea of where I want to put this already. It was originally $19.99, and that is kind of a lot of money. I feel like if I had a stencil, I could have easily made this myself, but I do have a DIY for a bigger one coming up, so I went ahead and just got this smaller one since it already had the paint and the design was really pretty. So I did grab quite a bit of Christmas ribbon. This one was in the actual Christmas section, so it was originally $7.99. However, it was 40% off. I really didn't want to pay for it. It did have a lot more than this one, which was in the just crafting section, and then this one's wired. So I went ahead and got that one, and I have plans to use that on my Christmas tree. And then these were 50% off that day, so I grabbed 2 little ones. So I got these for 99 cents a piece, and then $1.99 for this one right here. Alright, so I have a couple more pieces that I got in the kitchen area. I saw this towel that says a Christmas prayer, or just Christmas prayer, and I loved that. Like I said, I like to incorporate as much Jesus-themed stuff as I can, so I thought this was great for that. And it was originally $8.99. And then I saw a ton of people get the fall version of this with the little pumpkins, and it was $9.99 originally, and I feel like that's really high for just wooden spoons. But I really liked the peppermint, so I'm going to try to use this on my tiered tray with the gingerbread theme. So I went ahead and just bit the bullet, and I did it. I saw this tiny little sort of like espresso cup, and it has the look of enamelware with the like black around the rim, kind of like these that I showed you earlier, just so you can see the size difference. And this was originally $2.99. Yeah, so I went ahead and just got one of those. And then this thing was $7.99, but I think he is so cute. If I had the money, I would have gotten a ton of them because I think these would look so cute stacked and scattered around the house, and I just think that his face is done really well, and it's a nice size. I think, you know, this is obviously meant to be an actual coffee cup, but I'm going to use it as decor. And then the handle is his little hat. So I think that's everything I have to share with you today in this video. I feel like it was kind of a lot. And looking at it like this, I definitely spent a lot of money, so I may be returning some stuff. We'll see. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I used all this stuff in my Christmas decor, I will be posting those videos in November if everything goes as planned. So be sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!